Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Razr 60 and let me share with you how to activate automatic software updates on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we need to scroll down and find system updates. As you can see here, we've got something which is called Smart Updates. So first of all, just make sure that this option is turned on and it looks like it. And now we can enter Smart Updates. Basically, this whole idea of this feature is that your device will automatically check for the updates, and after that it will also automatically update the system. So here you can choose the start time of the update. You can choose 1 to 3, 2 to 4, 3 to 5 a.m. or the custom time, so you can pick the start and the end time according to your liking. However, those presets are quite nice because everything happens in the background at night when you're sleeping, so you will simply skip the update. And here, if you want to, you can apply it to all software updates just by tapping on the switcher here. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.